Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, perimeter alarm, 4-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, power driver seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.